On today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can rev up your breakfast cereal. So buckle up, pals. You're in for a treat. Don't worry, be random. Now the first way to start off a proper breakfast is with the proper breakfast wear. Me, I have my 7.5-inch Dale Earnhardt cereal bowl, and I have my NASCAR spoon. Now me, I like to eat healthy. That's why I've got this box of Cheerios here. It's good for helping to lower your cholesterol. In other words, it keeps your ticker ticking and slows down your stopwatch. But of course, that is when I run out of unhealthy sugary cereals to eat. Take, for example, this box of sugary, sweet, delicious Hooters cereal. Now, this cereal features strawberry blondes, cinnamon brunettes, raspberry redheads, and marshmallow owls. And it's kind of like Lucky Charms on steroids. And as you can see, the box is empty. Wait a minute, here's something in there. Oh, almost forgot the poster that's left in it. Now to get back to the healthy stuff, not only do I have a box of Cheerios, but I also have different flavors of Cheerios. Blueberry Cheerios and apple cinnamon Cheerios. That's why they say variety is the spice of life. Now some people like to eat their cereal as is. Kind of bland, and it's dry like the desert. I think it needs some milk. Hey, wait a minute, this don't taste like milk. What's this say? Vanilla iced coffee? Heck, I might as well get the caramel iced coffee too while I'm at it. Pour some of that in. Adding in some caramel iced coffee. I'm gonna get a hyper after eating all this stuff. And all this caffeine stuff. Has got a kick to it. Now that I've had my fill of caffeine and octane, I feel a little bit jittery, by the way. I'm going to talk to you about what I was really going to talk to you about. Using maple syrup. Yes, maple syrup to sprucing up your Cheerios or other breakfast foods for that matter. Now this maple syrup right here is by Tree Hive, and this is the good stuff. This is not the cheap stuff. So if you want to really sprucing up your Cheerios or your breakfast cereal, get something that's a little bit more high-end. This maple syrup here contains several different ingredients: Vermont maple syrup, Texas honey, vanilla, and cinnamon. So shake well and enjoy. Now when you use maple syrup, you just want to go lightly with it. Distribute it a little here and there. You don't want to get it too soggy. You just want it just right. Pour a little bit in. And then mix it up. Just a little bit will do, and that'll make your expensive bottle of syrup last a long time. Now these Cheerios that are maple syrup flavored, like I showed you, you're going to love them. I guarantee it. It is good. This is what it's all about. Yum. Guy Fieri, I am coming for you, pal. Now I've got some roommates, and they've been keeping me up all night long, partying, drinking, playing loud music. So I think I'm going to make them a special breakfast. So I'll show you my secret concoction. Now this ought to fix them. This is yellow snow owl. Yes, that's right. Kind of reeks of piss water. Ooh. Let's see what happens. I just pour it right in. Get it really nice and soggy. Yeah. There they go. Hey guys, rise and shine. I made y'all a special breakfast. Enjoy. Wait for it. Wait for it. You know something? I miss the days when cereal boxes used to come with a cool little car. They need to start doing that again. So if you never want to miss another random car video, remember, ring that bell.